I'm Dr. Matthew McNutt, orthodontist. Congratulations on starting your orthodontic treatment. Please listen carefully to the following instructions about dietary restrictions during orthodontic treatment. When it comes to eating, there are two important factors: what you eat and how you eat. Both are equally important. Your diet directly affects the health of the supporting gum tissues and bone around your teeth. If you are careful about the type of food you select and the way you eat your food, your teeth and gums will stay healthy throughout treatment, and your orthodontic appliances will remain in good working condition. The braces on your front teeth are bonded to the surfaces of your teeth. These braces may shear off when biting into hard food. In general, try not to bite into any food with your front teeth. Cut up your food into small bite-sized pieces or tear all food into small pieces. Take care to chew your food slowly and carefully with your back teeth. So the bottom line on how you eat is this: cut everything up into small pieces and chew slowly with the back teeth. Hard and crunchy foods. Unfortunately, a lot of what we normally think of as healthy food is very hard on braces. Since it is very important to maintain a healthy diet, fresh fruits and vegetables that are hard and crunchy should either be cut into small bite-sized pieces or cooked until tender. When eating meat, always cut it off the bone. Sticky and chewy foods. Any food that sticks to the teeth or that may get stuck around your braces or appliances should be avoided. These types of foods usually have high sugar content as well. Sugary foods that have become lodged between the teeth and the braces will increase the risk of cavity formation or tooth decay. Most patients also have braces bonded on the back teeth. Some patients have bands on the back teeth, and these bands go all the way around each tooth. These bands are more resistant to breaking than the braces on the front teeth. However, sticky foods may pull at the bands and eventually break the cement seal. Once the cement seal is broken, plaque begins to leak in and may cause tooth decay. Take a moment to look over some examples of food to avoid. You might call this the common sense list. We cannot possibly list every type of food to avoid. If you want to eat something that is similar to the foods on this list, common sense would tell you probably should avoid eating it. Sugary drinks. There are several types of sugary drinks you should avoid altogether during orthodontic treatment. Sugary drinks will lead to decalcification marks and possibly tooth decay. Examples are most sports drinks. They typically have sugar and are less healthy than the commercials would have you believe. Energy drinks, which are typically very high in sugar and have unhealthy levels of caffeine as well. Sodas of any kind, even diet soda. Diet soda is even more acidic than regular soda and damages tooth enamel. And in the South, this is a tough one, but we also ask that you avoid sweet tea. We strive to provide excellent results for our patients and to finish treatment on time. Following the guidelines we have discussed is a very important part of your treatment. Patients who are rough on their braces and appliances will make it more difficult for the doctor to achieve the desired results. Loose appliances or broken appliances prolong orthodontic treatment. If the teeth are not attached properly to the wires, they are not under control and may move in the wrong direction. Patients who avoid eating the foods we have discussed may still cause something to come loose. This is almost always because the patient is not cutting food up into small pieces and chewing slowly and carefully. In an average week, a patient will go through several thousand chewing cycles. Being a little too rough will eventually lead to the straw that breaks the camel's back, and something will come loose. Patients should also avoid chewing on things like pencils, pens, and fingernails, as this may damage your braces. And for our younger patients, respect your parents' time and money. They may need to bring you for extra visits if you are not following the rules. They may have to take extra time off from work or other activities, and the gas they put in their cars is not free. Thank you for listening, and please do not hesitate if you have questions.